Hey guys, it's Sheridan. Welcome back to my channel. So today I am showing you guys my damaged, brassy, uncurly hair. I'm going to be doing a protein treatment made by ApHogee. It's a 2-step protein treatment and we're going to see if it will bring the curls back. I am totally at a loss for what to do for my hair to get it back to its curly state, and this product seems to have really good reviews, so I just want to try it and I hope to get some kind of life put back into my hair. As you can see, this is my hair after the color and after 3 long weeks of straight hair, and my hair typically only gets straightened once a year for a couple of days, just because I don't like to put anything on it or do anything to it that could damage it. But after the 3rd baby, I started feeling like I needed to change something, and so I changed my hair. Worst mistake. So I did some researching and found this. This is ApHogee 2-step protein treatment and balancing moisturizer, and it's supposed to bring the curls back to life. Caution: for professional use only. I'm not a professional, but I've done my hair before. So it says shake well before use. Apply enough ApHogee treatment thoroughly to saturate hair and comb blend with a wide tooth comb for even distribution. Leave hair uncovered. Do not use a plastic cap. Seat client under medium heat dry with high airflow. Alternatively, a hand dryer may be used, but hair should not be agitated while drying. So while you're putting this on your hair, don't comb through it. Re-wet and gently rinse thoroughly with warm water. Remove all excess dried protein. Towel dry. Apply ApHogee balancing moisturizer to hair, scalp. Leave for 2 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Dry and style. Always use immediately after ApHogee treatment to restore softness. So, guess I gotta wash my hair. I'm not gonna use the ApHogee brand. I use my own brand, which is the Shea Moisture. This is the one with Manuka honey and Mafura oil, intensive hydration shampoo with fig extract and baobab oil. It hydrates and replenishes dry hair, which is what I have. And I have the Jamaican black castor oil conditioner to restore and condition. So I'm gonna go wash this hair. After washing my hair, I dried it, and the package says to towel dry, but every natural girl knows you don't use a towel on your natural hair, you use a t-shirt. So that's what I'm doing. As I'm applying the first step of the protein treatment, I noticed that a lot of the videos that I watched said that the product had a bad smell. I didn't really notice any smell. It is though as liquidy as everybody says that it was, and that kind of did make it a little difficult to work with. I did not use a spray bottle just because I felt like my hands could move faster than a spray bottle would take to spray it on and then massage it into my hair to get a good amount of coverage. It was very sticky and it was very drippy, so I'm glad I wore an old shirt, but it wasn't as bad as everybody was saying that the smell it wasn't strong at all. It's hard, and it's not hard as I've seen some other people do videos, but it's hard. And I hope it's like completely dry. It feels completely dry. The next step is to like wash it out with warm water and then put in this moisturizer. So that's what I'm gonna do next. This is my hair after washing the product out. You can see I got some of the little curls back, but like the front is still stringy, nasty. It feels a lot better than it felt before, even with just washing it regularly. It feels a lot healthier than it did before. And this is the back. So on the package it says just to use your typical daily style as usual or whatever. So this is the leave-in conditioner I'm gonna use. It's Bella Curls. It smells so good. It's like coconut whipped cream. And I'm just gonna use some oil. It's actually this that I get at HEB. Avocado and coconut oil. It is very easy to comb through now. You can finger comb, and I like don't have anything on my hands. It's crazy. Because before I was pulling out so much hair, I was gonna be bald by the end of the night.
So now I'm just gonna add some water just because I feel like I overused my conditioner and my oil. So I just need to balance it out with some water in a spray bottle that I had. And that's all I'm doing, just to kind of give it a little more definition. This product did make my hair more manageable, and it does allow me to run my fingers through my hair without pulling a bunch of it out. I am going to continue to search for things that will help me get my curls back, so if you know any suggestions, please feel free to leave them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.